Hi y'all, I'm Mavis and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. And yeah, today I'm going to show you how I achieved the hair you just saw. And I did ask people if they really wanted a tutorial, and majority said they did. So here I am. I hope you're going to enjoy it. And like, share, subscribe. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, y'all. Let's reach 700, just 700. So let's begin. The products that I used were the Gorilla Snot Gel, the Revlon Realistic Twisting Pudding, and the famous Afro Twist Marley. One pack alone. Only one pack. That's all you need. And I got the Gorilla Snot and Afro Twist Marley from naturalhairkenya, and the Revlon Twisting Pudding from Supercosmetics. Yes. So I started with freshly washed hair, which I dried it overnight. So this is the next day. And this hairstyle, I made it such that at the front, I crocheted the front. So the hair that you see, to the side, like laying to the side, it's not my hair, people. It's not my hair, it's crochet. So here you see I'm doing plaits to like half of the back. Not half of the back. You can just see I'm doing cornrows, 6 of them. And then after I will, crochet the Afro Twist Marley. Yeah. As you can see here, I'm done with the cornrows, 6 of them. So I take one strand of the Marley, Afro Twist Marley. Then I'm gonna go ahead and crochet it onto my hair. So around the perimeter of my head, where like the parting will show, I'm going to do an invisible type of crochet. You've seen this a lot, like a million of times, but I'll still show you how I did it. Yeah, you can see, just hook it and then pull one strand through the hoop, and yeah, pretty much around the perimeter and also at the front, so that it looks more natural. That's why I even used a natural type of like a crochet hair, so that it can match my natural hair, yeah. And also to add on that, you can see that my cornrows are not so neat. I made them that way because it does look better. It does look better when you do, especially like this Afro Twist Marley crochet. It just meshes with your hair nicely, and yeah, there are not those spaces in between. That's why I really liked it. So after I'm done crocheting the front section, I'm just going to put it away, and then I deal with the other section of my hair. Yeah. So in that, I'm going to use the Gorilla Snot Gel, the moisturizer, and some water. First of all, I'm just going to slightly dampen my hair, just a little bit. And then I use a tiny amount of moisturizer. So in this, don't use any oils. When you use oils and the Gorilla Snot Gel, it's gonna leave like a white cast, and it's just not cute when it dries down. So just use a moisturizer that is good for your hair, and then detangle it, and afterwards go in now with a Gorilla Snot Gel. It takes some time, people. It does take some time to slick it, especially if you have a lot of hair like I do. But I'm very happy with the Gorilla Snot Gel because it slicks your hair slick. Yeah, it does slick your hair slick, especially for 4C. if it works for 4C, for sure it can work for any other type of hair, okay? So yeah, you can see I'm just working it in. Then I use a soft Bristol brush. I don't like the hard ones. The hard ones are just brutal. So you can see I'm just, slicking the perimeter of my hair, the back, the side. I'm going to do it all throughout. And I would advise, especially if you have very thick hair, slick your hair the day before your event or the day before you need to go somewhere, because if it doesn't dry down, it's it's gonna be a disaster, okay? This style needs your hair to be, dried down after you slick it. So yeah, please put that in mind, okay? So after I'm done slicking the back parts, so it's now where I did the crochet. So I'm gonna go in with a flat iron and flat iron the crochet hair. Make sure your heat is not too high, okay, or else it's gonna burn it off. After I'm done flat ironing it, I will just brush it and then use the chunky flexi rods, like the fattest of the flexi rods. And then I'll wind the hair down the flexi rod. I wanted the curls at the bottom of the hair, not from the top. So you can see I'm gonna do that, and then I will secure it. And then after that, I'm gonna dip it in hot water, okay? But please don't burn your face while doing it. Be careful. Then at the back, you can see the color of my hair peeping through, so I'll just go in lightly with a dark eyeliner and just fill it in. Yeah. So over here, for the extension, I'm just going to separate each strand and then go in so lightly with the flat iron. Make sure it isn't too hot. As I said before, it's gonna burn it off, okay? Then, you wouldn't have any hair left. So yeah, I flat iron enough to just look good as an extension. So you can see this is the progress so far. Then after that, I'm just gonna go in and brush it with the comb, and then go ahead and trim it, brush it, trim it until I get satisfactory results. And after that, I take this band, which I'll use to attach onto my extension. Yeah, just that. Then, go in and then trim it a little bit. Then afterwards, I'm just going to now focus on the ends, flat iron it. Yeah, I flat iron the ends, then I curl them with the flexi rod, like I wind them down the flexi rod, and then after that dip them in hot water. Yeah, because I wanted my ends to be a little bit, not, what is it called, frizzy. I just wanted them to be a little bit curly, but not too curly, but yeah, to mimic my natural hair. This is why I use natural looking extensions, yeah. So after this, as I said before, dipping them in hot water, then we go to the next process, which is fixing this extension. It's gonna be just pretty easy, it's not the extension is not as good as the other one, which you can be able to hide your bun. You have a small bun, but it works okay. I forgot to add that you have to tie a scarf before you go to sleep, after you slick your hair and your edges and everything. Yeah. And so here I made sure to hide the bun, then made the bubble at the back just by tying a string at the middle of the extension. cut it a little bit, and yeah. So in the front, I unravel the flexi rod where I used it, and pretty much worked it, and worked it. I hope you really enjoyed this. And yeah, people, yeah.